Hi everyone, and welcome to Short Dose of Info. Today, we're going to talk about the plastic recycling process in a short, digestible way. What is plastic recycling? Plastic recycling is the process of converting used plastic into new materials and objects. It's a great way to reduce pollution and save resources. Why is plastic recycling important? Plastic pollution is a major problem in our environment. It can harm wildlife, pollute our oceans, and even end up in our food. Recycling plastic helps to reduce this pollution and keep our planet clean. How does plastic recycling work? The plastic recycling process has 6 steps. Collection. Used plastic is collected from homes and businesses. Sorting. The plastic is sorted by type. Washing. The plastic is washed to remove dirt and other contaminants. Shredding. The plastic is shredded into small pieces. Identification. The plastic is identified by type. Compounding. The plastic is melted and formed into new products. How can I recycle plastic? There are a few things you can do to recycle plastic. Check with your local recycling center to see what types of plastic they accept. Rinse out plastic containers before recycling them. Flatten plastic packaging to save space. Recycle plastic bags at designated drop-off locations. The future of plastic recycling. The plastic recycling industry is constantly evolving. New technologies are being developed to make the process more efficient and sustainable. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see even more plastic being recycled in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about the plastic recycling process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.